Join me as I dive into the future of Pltr stock and try to predict what's next for this company. Can I get it right? Palantir Technologies, or Pltr, has been a significant player in the tech and investment landscape, especially since its direct listing in 2020. The company's unique approach to data integration and analytics has drawn both attention and skepticism from investors and market analysts alike. With its roots in helping governments and corporations make sense of complex data, Pltr has positioned itself as a leader in the field of big data analytics. The current challenges faced by Pltr stock are multifaceted. One major issue is market volatility. The stock has seen significant fluctuations in response to quarterly earnings reports and broader market trends. For instance, the company's revenue growth has been a point of contention, with some investors questioning whether it can sustain its current pace. Furthermore, the competitive landscape in big data and analytics is fiercely crowded, with giants like Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft Azure vying for dominance. Recent earnings reports have also shown mixed results, sometimes leading to sharp declines in stock price. This competitive environment pressures Pltr to continuously innovate and expand its offerings. Another challenge comes from the regulatory environment. As Pltr deals with sensitive government data, changes in regulations or political priorities can significantly impact its business. For example, any shift in government contracts could drastically alter the company's revenue stream. Moreover, market sentiment has been divided, with some investors bullish on its long-term prospects and others skeptical about its ability to maintain growth. In recent developments, Pltr has announced several strategic partnerships that could play a crucial role in its future growth. For instance, its collaborations with major cloud providers and industry-specific solutions have expanded its reach and applicability. Additionally, the company has focused on product innovation, enhancing its platforms to better serve existing and potential customers. Pltr's expansion into new sectors, such as healthcare and finance, with tailored solutions, indicates a strategic move to diversify its revenue streams. These steps are crucial for Pltr as it seeks to stabilize its stock performance and attract more investors. The company's ability to adapt to industry trends, such as the increasing demand for AI and machine learning capabilities, will also be a key factor. By integrating these technologies into its data analytics platforms, Pltr aims to stay ahead of the curve. Moreover, its efforts to improve transparency and governance in its operations could help in mitigating some of the skepticism from investors and regulators alike. Critical insights into Pltr's future come from analyst predictions and market reactions. Some analysts are optimistic about its long-term growth potential, citing the company's unique offerings and strong foothold in the government sector. However, market reactions have been more mixed, reflecting the challenges and uncertainties facing the company. For instance, the stock's performance in response to quarterly earnings reports has shown that investor sentiment can quickly shift based on short-term results. Analyst predictions suggest that Pltr's ability to innovate and secure new contracts will be pivotal. The company's performance in the coming quarters will likely be scrutinized for signs of sustained growth and market share expansion. Moreover, any significant advancements in its technology or strategic partnerships could serve as catalysts for a positive stock performance. The market's reaction to Pltr's quarterly earnings reports and product announcements will provide valuable insights into investor sentiment. A positive reception could boost the stock, while disappointing results might lead to further volatility. Additionally, any regulatory changes or shifts in government policies regarding data privacy and security could impact Pltr's operations and stock performance. In reinforcing the potential future scenarios for Pltr stock, it's clear that the company operates in a dynamic and challenging environment. The balance between innovation, market competition, and regulatory pressures will dictate its stock's trajectory. Based on the challenges and developments explored, Pltr stands at a crossroads, with several factors that could influence its future stock performance. If you have any thoughts on Pltr's future or have questions about its stock prospects, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. For more insights and analysis on investment opportunities, consider checking out my other videos.